I mean, when we come, pick it. Run the track. Yes, me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on the skin.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, CD Radio, back on the screens once again. So I have just received my Take A Lot order here, and most of these products that are in here is literally to help me with my fitness journey. I have been due new headsets for the longest of time because the ones that I had, can you believe I still used wired earphones? Because why not? They're still serving a function, right? A purpose more than anything. So yeah, I should have also actually ordered my electrical blanket, but it's fine. We're gonna go to Sandton City to go buy that. So first product is, oh, okay, once again, my husband's clicker, because the one that we did receive the last time, it came with one missing part, so I had to send it back, including the other earphones, the Volcano earphones. I also had to return them. Here they are. I'm excited. I'm gonna be pairing them once we are in the car, and then I'm gonna give you guys a rundown as to what to expect in today's vloggity vlog. This is how the scale looks like. It's glass, very slick. I love that it's black. It's gonna sit perfectly in my bathroom. I really could have gone for the colorless one, but then when I read the reviews, some of them broke as the people were stepping on them, child. So I ordered this one. I'm excited for it. I will do like a proper close-up of when I am weighing myself. I don't know if it will be in this video or not. So now that the Take A Lot is done, let me give you a rundown of what to expect in today's video. We are going to be going to Sandton City as mentioned, but first we are going to Midrand to go select fabrics. Can you guys believe it? It took me a full month to make up my mind as to who I want to work with regarding my couch. So I finally found the company. We're gonna go select the fabrics right now at 1. We should be there at 1 o'clock, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna drop off my husband at the Soweto Derby. They got like a box. Is it a box? What do you call it? You know, the fancy part, you know, where the people sit in the boxes at a stadium. So they got that. I will join them the next time, because if I'm gonna go watch a Soweto Derby, I cannot be amongst people. I am a tiny human being, and people will just elbow me, and I don't want that, okay? Because people don't see me. They're like, oh, there's the tiny human. I know in front of the camera right now I look like very tall, probably thinking I'm as tall as this window behind me. I'm not. I'm like 1.4 meters, like 1.445, almost like 1.5, but I'm definitely not 1.5. I can tell you that for free. So I'm like 1.4 something, all right? And I'm a tiny human being. So then we're gonna go drop off my husband at the Soweto Derby, all the way in Johannesburg South. Then I'm gonna come back, go to Sandton City and buy a few things. So that's me. So I'll find you guys on the road. For now, I'm gonna set these up, pair them on my phone, and then enjoy them, because that's what's up.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels is killing me. Finally you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I go up the streets just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I could take a limousine. Let's go out, burning, burning and burning. Will kill you. Don't let them decide. Sweet words are not true. Real love isn't blind, and you can bet on it. Yeah, you can bet on it. Burning, burning and burning. Burning, burning and burning.
here to watch the Soweto Derby. I'm in the suite, and so it makes life so much easier. We've got a variety of food, rice. We have pasta, vegetarian. Then we have a chicken stew, and then we've got the lamb. And we had some lovely desserts as well. And parrot 121. Hala la pagania halala.
No problem spending all of my money trying to see what's up.
A mini heart attack. I thought it wasn't available.
Mine.
I guess we are just gonna have to ask someone. Nothing here. How much is this?
There's king. I see king size.
This is all I need.
Okay.
Oh yes, you guys know there's always something going on. Look at this. Oh, it smells nice, child. Look at the
best. Where is it?
Can I offer you guys something to drink?
Me, I came for the experience, guys. Yes. Yes. What champagne? Champagne. Yeah. Get me one of that glass. Yes. That's me. You guys, it looks so pretty in here. It smells so good. The makeup, darling. Ooh, look at this bouquet of flowers.
Wait, what's in there? Oh my god.
Where's the volume? This is so cute. This camera,
Dude.
this ad is so cute. So there's no audio. This girl almost looks like Gwen Stefani.
Batum
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, you let me know what I do.
Yeah. Come. There you go.
Cha. This makeup.
Hello. If you're meeting me, I don't know. Everyone.
Hello.
Sorry guys, let me remove this. This was from the old our new launch, which is called Eau Splendide. This beautiful lilac fragrance. So I'm going to talk to you about the scent. I want you to experience it with me. I'm going to give you some more insight into the inspiration and the olfactives. And then Niven is going to showcase how to create a makeup look based on this beautiful new scent. So first things first, let's smell it, right? So I'm going to pass around. Would you please pass to that table? Thank you so much.
What's waiting?
Everything combined together into dream skin in one bottle. It's coverage, long wearing, mattifying, or glowing depending on your skin type. It is self-setting, doesn't require any powder to be over it, absolutely. Transfer resistant, humidity and sweat resistant. So on set at the moment, I'm going to apply it here, close your eyes for me. Tool buffing movement, literally going to go on your foundation, just buff it all around skin, on the neck area, jaw area, and look here, instantly super airbrush. No brush stroke. The brush stroke are the only thing erased, but the carpet hasn't been done connection while we're blending it. And again, no extension. Everything is literally, absolutely. So everything is literally staying on the skin. Same thing here. Just nothing it around. What it does basically, it's really about pressing the product on the skin. It's to layer the product prior to blending it. That's where the secret comes. Is the more the foundation sets and the more it actually amplifies with the body heat, the more it thickens in coverage. To make sure it hides whatever you normally see and stays the whole day and so on. So it represents more the practicality of what you're looking for. So ladies, is there any question before we move forward to the next step? Because the next step is the most exciting part of the thing.
It's the blush.
Naturally, at this order, I would be setting the foundation. Like, this sets itself.
Absolutely. Self-setting, non-consuming. 20 minutes, remember? Convenience, effectiveness. Absolutely. We don't have time. We want to be gorgeous in 20 minutes. Most important here is our award-winning product from 2022 from Women's Magazine South Africa. I'm sure you know, it was up yesterday, right? It's called number 1 Lip and Cheek product. This is a lip gloss, lipstick, lip treatment, lip balm, cream lip shadow.
Oh.
All together.
Come, Titty. Yay, girlies.
I love it so much.
We have finally reached the end of the day and I am tired. I'm out of breath. I've had so much fun. Yeah, let us unpack everything because I think you guys have seen the voiceovers, you've seen what's been going on, you've seen my outfit of the day and everything like that. My energy is like high up. I am excited. I smell like Chanel. I feel good. I look good. My makeup keeps eating by the hour, darling. You gonna see that? Evidence, proof, receipts, screenshots, as you can tell. So anyway, after going to Chanel, which was very impromptu, eventually went to Pause by Clicks for some, what do you call these, panty liners? Sponges, because child, I am budgeting for a dishwasher. Guys, if you know which brand, I'm actually being very serious about this. So if you have a dishwasher in your house, please let me know what brand you use, why you love it, and if you would recommend for me to also purchase the same brand. I am leaning towards LG. I would have loved if my whole household was Samsung, but child, I done read the reviews on the dishwashers from Samsung and it's not necessarily the greatest. Then from Checkers as well, I got Mr. Sheen, the Clear View Gloss and Multi-Surface Cleaner to clean around. Duh, because that's what we're gonna have to do. And then you guys also saw me pick up the electrical blanket. I got some dish soap from Checkers, and then from Discount we got an electrical blanket because winter is here and I don't necessarily use blankets because they get heavy on me. And then of course the OG's sunscreen and my CeraVe moisturizer, and that is about it. My husband is probably going to call me in the next 30 minutes. I will have to drive to the south of Johannesburg to go pick him up because he went to go watch the Soweto Derby. And you guys, please let me know if you enjoyed his content because he sent me a clip of his experience while he was in the suite, not the box. Earlier on I kept calling it the box. It's not a box, it's a suite. So let us unpack the Chanel goodies that we received. So first thing is first, I absolutely enjoyed the little cute masterclass that they hosted, teaching us about you know, makeup, Chanel makeup, etc. So then we got the sample size of the Chance Chanel. How the hell do you say this?
Chanel Eau Splendide.
What?
Splendid.
Splendid.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? This is not the one.
Evive. It's my favorite.
Evive.
Yeah,
okay, my little sister uses Evive. I've never used any Chanel perfumes, child, but she's going to give me something. She better give me something. So we've got the sample to test out. I love it. I don't know. So is this sample the Evive or the one I love, the purple one?
They gave you the one that you like and the Evive.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we've got the Evive. And then we've got the Splendid, which is my favorite. And should she want to buy me something from Chanel, I would love this one. This is the purple one, the Splendid one. And then she uses this almost like a pink nudish vibe, which is the weave. So yeah, so that's that, you guys. And they also gave us some macaroons. In case you don't know what a macaroon is, I'm about to show you. It's literally just a fancy candy, if you think about it that way. This is a macaroon. I don't know what the hell is this thing made out of?
It's made out of egg white.
There we go. She's the food science child, okay? Graduation loading, basically. So that's also content that's coming for you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys to see her dress, her hair, her makeup, her shoes, the whole fucking shebang, Van Cleef, baby. I don't know. Every time we talk about her graduation, we always say Van Cleef. We always say Van Cleef, darling. So anyway, so these are macaroons. If you've never known or you don't know what a macaroon is, this is it's like a candy. It's a fancy egg white protein candy, if you think about it that way. So yeah, that is it. I basically just wanted to come in front of the camera and actually close off this vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the comment section.